Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Always like bringing my Monday videos to you every Monday. Normally, it's my top 5 picks for the week, but today is the first trading Monday in the month of November, so we're going to be looking at my top monthly picks, and those are tough to play out because anything can happen within 1 month's time. So I need you to understand that I pick them based on a lot of different criteria, but the whole idea is I want you to be able to put stops on these stocks, take profits when necessary, so that you don't let all of that go away. So just keeping that in mind, I'm looking at good stocks. Sometimes I hedge, and I think this week I'm going to do that as well. But I need to put you in the right framework of how to trade these stocks. These are stocks that can move up nicely in a month or move down. You need to either wait for the right buying opportunities or take profits when you need to. So when I go to look at these stocks, let me show you what I'm looking for when I'm looking at monthly stocks. So my top monthly picks based off of the stock's price greater than $1, relative value, upside potential on a scale between 0 and 2 is above 1. The CI, the comfort index, is above 1, which tells me that as I pick these stocks are more apt to go up than go down. That's the comfort index, stock's ability to withstand long or lengthy price declines. I always want them to be optionable because now, if you don't want to play the stocks on their own, you can play the options on these as well. And that these are undervalued stocks that are sorted by CI, so the stocks that go up more than they go down will migrate to the top of the list. That's where I find these stocks. So here's my picks for this week. Now, keeping in mind we have an election tomorrow as I record this video. We also have the Fed decision coming up on Thursday. We have a lot of stocks that are still reporting earnings. So anything can go on throughout this month. Now, I say that because I want to go back to 10/7, my last month's picks. Let's go see what they did. Let's go take this back to 10/7. All right. October 7th, the first trading day, Monday in October. Let's go see what these stocks did. Now, keep in mind, China was on rock and roll. Again, it's tough to pick stocks for a month. China was on a rock and roll. Rolls-Royce, uranium was on the move. Palantir, you know, is a stock that I like. Oil, utilities, and then I also hedged with SQQQ and TSLQ. Let's quick test all of these. Again, monthly picks, and it's tough. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. We were down about 5% where the Qs, and actually, let's go to the VVC. Let's go to the VVC. The VVC, or the VectorVest Composite, was only up about 0.1%. Our picks for the month were down 5.5%, but we had some winners in here. But look at that. The Chinese phase fizzled out big. All right, so yen went down 41%. The Tesla short, or the hedge, was down 20%. The others that went down were manageable. They were manageable. All right, but 2 big hits. And that's why I say, as you look at these stocks, especially on a monthly basis, because it's hard to predict out a month, as you look at these on a monthly basis, these should be stocks in a portfolio or watch list that you're watching and you're taking advantage of them at the right time. Let's go to 11/4. That's today, where I'm looking at my top 5 weekly picks, monthly picks. ISC is a stock that's been on a craze, been running. MCOR, KINS, and then I've got 2 more stocks again for hedging, SDOW and SVIX. I need you to keep your eyes on SVIX with the election coming up tomorrow. I think there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. SVIX may be a really good play for you to keep your eyes on right now. And then on top of that, I don't think that the election is going to be determined tomorrow as well. I think it's going to take a little time before we find out who the next president is. Now, I don't track this in a portfolio, but I do track what I normally do on Mondays, my top 5 weekly picks. We're up over 10%, and this has been running since let's go see, January 8th of 2024, up 10%. This portfolio was up at one time about 30%. Then I stopped paying attention to it. It hit. Now we're back on the rise again. The stocks that I pick on Mondays, you need to come watch that video every Monday. Next Monday, I'm probably going to add another 2 stocks to this portfolio. You want to know what they are? Make sure you tune in next Monday. But once again, here are my top monthly picks. And again, I want you to keep your eyes on these stocks. These stocks have been picked for specific reasons. They're going to have good opportunities to go up if the market goes up. But if the market goes down, I want you to keep your eyes on these 2 hedges, the SDOW and the SVIX. It's as simple as that. Folks, this video is over. Make sure you hit the like button if you like what you saw here. If you're brand new to the channel and you like this content, make sure you consider hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon. Folks, this video is over. Until the next time, see ya.
Time to get excited. It's almost 2025. Hard to believe, right? I know. Now, VectorVest, we are proud to present our 2025 flagship 2-day investment seminar held in Tampa, Florida, January 10th and 11th. Now, you can visit that live stream. Just go to vectorvest.com/stream. I mean, there will be some great heavy hitters there presenting. We've got Glenn Tompkins, Ray Clark, along with Jerry D'Ambrosio, and special guest Les Mason.